Welcome to SFE, a company that beyond your expectation. Please allow us to introduce you our company's proud growing profile. In 1982, our company established. By expanding of our orders, we established our first warehouse in 1987 and moved to the present location in 1991. In 1995, we set up our first manufacturing plant with 48 set screw header and 55 set thread rollers. In order to add extra professional technique, we built up our second factory with 12 set bolt formers in 1999. In 2005, we expanded our second factory to upgrade our ability of producing. After having a factory, SFE are dedicated to obtain certification of International Management System. With the following years, we were awarded ISO 9002 and QS 9000 in 1998, FQA Laboratory Accreditation in 2000, ISO TS 16949 accreditation by TIFF in 2004, ISO 40001 in 2008. Since 2009, we passed supplier assessments such as JCI, Eaton, Philip, and Lear. Let's see facilities in SFE. First is our first plant. Now, we have 48 cold heating machines. And 57 thread rolling machines. Our first plant can reach the capacity of 150 millions, weighted at least 300 tons every month. In our second plant, now we have 40 big-size cold heating machines and 20 multi-station bolt formers. And 41 thread rolling machines. Our second plant can reach the capacity of 15 millions, weighted at least 400 tons every month. In our warehouse, it is not only having 700 tons of storage capacity, but also our QC and lab here. In our lab, we have polishing machine, ductility tester, torsional strength tester. In our QC, we have all gauges, salt spray tester, and 9 in-house optical sorting machines. Most of our products are specifically to customer drawing. We can offer special head and thread styles depending on customer requirement. also have many brands such as Quadrax, Thread, drive systems certificated by Philips like Motorq, Posy Square, and Triwin. Also, we have Torx, Torx Plus, clinch stance trucks, in addition, our strategic partnership with other world-class manufacturers allow us to offer a wide range of special parts. SFE service give our customer the most competitive price and accurate delivery. We can also offer scheduled release for large orders to help keep your inventory down. Flexibility. We have total 63 co-handling machines, 20 multi-station ball formers, and 98 thread rolling machines with completely inspection equipment and reliable service that can definitely meet your expectation. Expertise. SFE is going through the 34 years from establishment in fastener industry. Over 50% of our staff have been with us for more than 10 years. Our experience added with our constantly updated technology definitely can be the one you can rely on. Service, flexibility, and expertise are our spirit and our promises. SFE, beyond your expectations.